Welcome to Sarasas Witied Burapa School.
Hello students, good day. I am your teacher Ray and I will be teaching you language subject. But before that, always remember to wash your hands before you touch your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and especially before eating. So please stay safe.
Students, welcome to your language class session 1. But before we start, we proceed first to our 3 vocabularies. The first one is animals. Repeat after Teacher Ray. Animals. Animals. And now we spell the word animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. The second one is a word, I like dogs. Again, I like dogs. Very good. So now we spell the sentence, I like dogs. I-L-I-K-E, like, D-O-G-S, dogs. I like dogs. Everyone, I like dogs. Very good. The last one is the sentence, I don't like cat. Repeat after Teacher Ray. I don't like cat. Now we spell the sentence. I-D-O-N apostrophe T, don't, L-I-K-E, like, C-A-T, cat. I don't like cat. Very good. Everyone is doing a great job. After our vocabularies, we are now proceeding to our topic. Our topic is animals we like and dislike. Students, do you recognize this animal? What is the name of this animal? If your answer is bear, then you are right. This animal is a bear. Can you spell the word bear? B-E-A-R, bear. Yes, you got it right. Bear. Look at the screen. What animal is shown on your screen? Do you know what animal is it? If your answer is lizard, then you are correct. This animal on your TV screen is a lizard. Can we spell lizard? Everyone, L-I-Z-A-R-D, lizard. Everyone, again, lizard, lizard. Wow, everyone is doing great. We are now in the next animal or insect. What animal or insect is shown on your screen? If you think this animal or insect is a spider, then you are right. This is a spider. Can we spell spider? S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. Very good. We now proceed to the next animal. Do you think what animal is on your screen? If you know that this animal is a snake, then very good. This animal is a snake. Can we spell the word snake? S-N-A-K-E, snake. Good job. Now, bring out your notebook or a piece of paper and answer together with Teacher Ray. If you see a smiling face on your screen, you will answer, yes, I do. For example, the question is, do you like monkeys? Do you like monkeys? Your answer, because we are seeing a smiley face, we answer, yes, I do. Repeat, yes, I do. But if you see on your screen a sad face, your answer to the question is, no, I don't. Everyone, the answer will be, no, I don't. Now, on your screen, you are seeing a sad face. And the question is, do you like monkeys? Do you like monkeys? Your answer will be, no, I don't. Again, repeat, no, I don't. Very good. Now, be ready. The question is, do you like snakes? The question is, do you like snakes? Now, you see a sad face on your screen. Your answer will be, what? Because there is a sad face on your screen, your answer will be, no, I don't. Remember, if it's sad face, our answer will be, no, I don't. And if you see a smiling face, the answer will be, yes, I do. So, for the students who answer the word, no, I don't, good job. But for those who answer, yes, I do, better luck. Next question. The next question is, do you like lizards? Again, the question is, do you like lizards? Now, on your screen, you see a sad face. So our answer will be, what? Again, you see a sad face. So if you answer, no, I don't, then good job. Very good. The correct answer is, no, I don't. For the last question, the question is, do you like frogs? Again, the question is, do you like frogs? And now, check on your screen. Do you see a sad face or a smiling face? Yes, you are right. We have on our screen a smiling face. So what will be the answer to the question? Do you like frogs? If you answer, yes, I do, then you are right. Good job. The answer for the question, do you like frogs, is yes, I do, because in the screen we have a smiling face. For our next activity, let us complete the name of the animals and insects that will be shown on your screen. The first one is, what animal? If you answer lion, then you are correct. So let us spell lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Very good. So what animal is this? Let us complete the name of the animals. If you answer tiger, then you are correct. Everyone, tiger. Tiger. Let's now spell tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Good job. So what is the name of the next animal? This animal loves eating banana. So what animal is this? If you answer monkey, then you are correct. The animal on your screen is a monkey. Let us spell monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. For the last one, what animal is this? This animal loves eating small insects. What animal is this? If you answer frog, then you are correct. Let us spell frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. Very good. Everyone did a great job. Now, please open your workbook and answer page 78 and 79. Good luck! Hello everyone! Welcome to the session 2 or part 2 of your language subject. Now, before we proceed to our topic, we will do again vocabularies. The first word is wild animals. Again, wild animals. Repeat after Teacher Ray. Wild animals. Now, let us spell wild animals. W-I-L-D. Wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Wild animals. The next word is elephant. Elephant. Repeat after teacher. Elephant. Now, let us spell the word. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Good job. Our next topic will be where are the animals? Where are the animals? But before that, let us check first some animals that can be seen in the wild. The first one is a zebra. Yes, a zebra. Spell zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. The next one is crocodile. Crocodile. Spell crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. The next one is giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Repeat after Teacher Ray. Giraffe. Okay, good job. The next one are snakes. Snakes. Spell snakes. S-N-A-K-E. Snakes. Snakes. The next one are monkeys. Monkeys. Spell monkeys. M-O-N-K-E-Y-S. Monkeys. And our last example is elephant. Elephant. Everyone, repeat after me. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephant. Very good. Before we proceed to the main topic, can you see which animal is different? Can you see which animal is different? Okay, if you see, can you point it? Yes, can you point which animal is different? After pointing it, tell the name. It starts with letter E. Tell the name. The different animal is what? If your answer is elephant, then you are right. Elephant. Spell elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Very good. The next one. Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Can you point which animal is different? Okay, very good. After pointing, what is the name of that animal? What is the name of that animal? Yeah, you are right. It is zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. The third one is what? Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Can you point the animal? Okay, very good. So what is the name of that animal? Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Very good. It is crocodile. Yes, it is crocodile. Spell crocodile. C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E. Crocodile. Good job. And the last one is what? Which animal is different? Which animal is different? Can you point that animal? Okay, very good. So, what is the name of that animal? If you answer giraffe, then you are correct. Spell giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Again, giraffe. Very good. And now to the main topic, which is where are the animals? Where are the animals? If you see the question, for example, where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? If you see a check mark, your answer will be, here it is. Yes, here it is. If you see an X mark, you will answer, I don't know. I don't know. Again, where's the elephant? You see a check mark, the answer is, here it is. Here it is. If you see an X mark, you will say, or you will answer, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's proceed. The first question is, where's the tiger? Where's the tiger? Now, after the question, you see an X mark. So the answer will be, yes, you are right. The answer will be, I don't know. Again, the answer is, I don't know. Very good. The next question is, where are the snakes? Where are the snakes? And then you see a check mark after the question. So your answer will be, yes, very good. Your answer will be, here it is. Again, your answer will be, here it is. Good job. So the next one will be what? Where's the blank? Where's the blank? Which animal is this? And then we have an X mark on the screen. So your answer will be, okay, you got it right. The answer is, where's the zebra? Where's the zebra? And the answer will be, I don't know. Again, I don't know. Where's the zebra? I don't know. And the last question is, blank the monkey. Blank the monkey. And the answer will be, blank. The answer will be blank. What mark you see? Correct. A check mark. So the question will be, right. Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? And the answer will be, Here it is. Here it is. Okay, great job. And now, for your last activity for today, open your workbook and answer page 80 and 81. Good luck.
Great job, students! Now, before we say goodbye, always remember to wash your hands with soap, use hand sanitizer or alcohol before touching your eyes, your nose, and your mouth, and especially before eating. And then, stay at home as much as possible. Keep safe, everyone. Bye-bye. See you next time.